Hello my bloody lovelies. In this video we will be doing a creepy happy clown, as opposed to the last video that was a pretty sad clown. I'm starting off with these extended lash things once I could finally open the thing and realize it was from the side and not the top. Watch me struggle, yay, there we go. Where they have the fiber in one lot, there it is, and then the mascara. And so basically first you put a layer of the mascara and then the fiber and the mascara, and then you can repeat if you want longer or fuller lashes. The thing is with this is that it's messy, and I was kind of avoiding wanting to use this straight away when I got it from the show bag, because of just also how like clumpy and like it works in a sense, but if you do it with your makeup already done, you're gonna get like little fibers everywhere until you've properly sealed it. And then if you realize you want to kind of go back in after doing your shadow, it's really tough to put any more mascara on. So I'm not like the biggest fan, but I just thought I'd try it out. But it wasn't as bad as I thought at the same time. But I think for me, I can get almost the same look with like normal mascara anyway. So one side has the fibers and one side only has the mascara. There isn't much of a difference, but maybe I would definitely try it out again and maybe do a couple more layers to see if it ends up making them way fuller than my eyelashes can already get, because I have pretty long full eyelashes already. So I've done the base, foundation and concealer and all that, and I'm starting onto the eyeshadow, and this will be my base. I'm not caring about like how messy I end up going with all the eyeshadows, well, especially with this one, because I mean this is the base, I'm trying to get it everywhere. And then I will go into just a slightly darker shade and kind of just spread that around and just continue blending. Now I'm just going into this darker shadow and putting it on the outer corners of the eye, kind of smoking it up a little bit. Then I'm just getting a brush that has no product on it, and I'm just blending out the edges. And I'm just taking this shimmery shade and putting it on, not quite my far outer corner, just like bringing it slightly on the side, and then I'm putting this in the middle. This is a liquid, so sometimes it can cause a little bit of creasing, but it's fine, it still looks pretty. And then I'm using this highlighter to put on the inner corners of my eyes. lately with all my videos I am trying to record and do my makeup, so I basically just have my phone to look into, and sometimes it was really difficult, so I did as much as I could with recording, and then I would fix it up off camera and then go back in and record some more and then fix it back up if I really couldn't get it properly. So I'm starting off with the design, and I did some lines above my eyebrow, and now I'm coming in with a pretty classic line coming down from the eye onto the cheek. And I brought one right down to my mouth, and then I'm just kind of making the other side a stitched up situation. So I'm not able to record and do my winged eyeliner at the same time, and because I don't have liquid eyeliner, I actually use this mascara, and then I also did it to do like a bit of shading and stuff. It was kind of weird to do it while I kind of messed up a bit recording it, so I just fixed it all as much as I could off camera and everything like that, and I'm just going in with this shade to put it on my lips. It is quite drying to have eyeshadow on your lips, but when you need the colour, you need the colour. So I went over it with this lipstick, which they're pretty close in colour really, but I just still wanted as much pigment as I could get. I ended up connecting the lips way more than I showed on camera, but I did it off camera, and then I just outlined my eyebrows and other parts of the makeup design. And as you can see, I'm just highlighting in the places I think need it. It's basically the same when you're doing your makeup, except I have lines in the middle of my face, but I just kind of go around and highlight the center of my face and, you know, my cheekbones, and that's the look. Those last couple of photos were pictures I took as I was taking my makeup off, and I thought it ended up looking cool still, so I edited them together. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I really appreciate your support. Please like and subscribe if you like it. Thanks. Goodbye. Happy Halloween.